In this tutorial, we will be working with clipping tool. Clipping tool is located here, which is just in the right of our cursor selection tool. Now this is our stage and I have just created a new project and I have zoomed the stage to make the animation more precise. I have also imported two different images, which is door 1 and door 2. I'll bring both of them and I'll zoom a little bit more. So here it is, and I'm bringing the door 1 as well, and I'm fixing it. Use your arrow keys to do a precise positioning. Okay, we're done with the positioning now. Now as we know, we'll click on this and drag our head to 1 second mark. Then we'll go to this clipping tool and we will select this door 1 and we will just clip it this way. And if we play it, the animation is simple and predicted. But we don't want that, so we will just undo that. Instead, we will click on its center, this little circle over here, and we'll just move it towards and play it. So it gives us the effect of sliding the door. To complete it, we'll again select to this. As you can see, the background position is in our timeline. We'll select that and we'll give it this, and then we will play it. So it'll give us an illusion of sliding the door once again, and we have achieved this by this clipping tool using the background position property of CSS. So this is how you can create great animations with clipping tools in Adobe Edge Animate. Thank you.